Good morning. It's been a couple of weeks since I put a video up because it has been either raining or it has been somewhere about the surface of the sun outside. The heat and humidity here in Central Ohio has been pretty bad for the last week or so. It's not great today, but it's the nicest day we're going to have probably until the holiday weekend next weekend for 4th of July. That means it's time to keep going on the front yard project of the retaining wall. Let me show you what we got. So if you remember a couple videos ago, I worked down all the way redoing the retaining wall. I did one little small project right there, one nice evening to get a little bit of the curve done, but now we've got to start about there and go all the way to the end of the house. I have the usual suspects laid out here: blocks, sand, tools, tractor bucket to catch all of my spoils, and a camera to record it all. One quick note on that downspout drain: it's doing pretty well. I did pull it out just a little bit further off the wall. It was starting to erode underneath when we'd get gentle rains. So I'm going to fill that in a little bit at some point, and I need to get a little bit of grass growing under here. All right, let's get you guys on a tripod and get to work. So that is the next section up to the hose reel complete. If you noticed, the sections right in there, I didn't actually have to dig the blocks out again. Kind of like over by the garage, they were in pretty good shape and just needed a little tweaking and adding some backfill because of how quickly the grade of the garden rises up from the grade of the lawn. Unfortunately, that's where I'm going to cap it for today. It got a lot hotter and a lot more humid a lot faster than it was supposed to. We were also supposed to have some good breeze. That didn't materialize. And yeah, those 2 sections of block pretty much kicked my butt. So I'm going to follow my own advice and stay safe because I'm not feeling too well right now. I need to go in and chug about a gallon of water. So until next time, stay safe. We'll see you around.